Hi there, I'm Ben Reif, the Kalling King. Does your business still have landlines, POTS lines, fax lines, alarm lines, T1 or PRI circuits? Well, today I'm going to talk to you about death of the landline. You see, in 2014, Senator Mike Knopf of Michigan, along with AT&T, petitioned the FCC to allow them to sunset or turn down the analog phone network, and of course, it passed and took effect January of 2017. Here's the backstory. Let's go back about 10 to 15 years. Most homes still had a landline. So if you lived on a street with 10 homes, the phone company was receiving revenue from all 10 homes. Fast forward to today. It's now 1 in 10 or less, and the only person on your street that has a landline is a 70-year-old where the landline is their lifeline. Today, the phone company is receiving a tenth or less of the revenue with all the same support costs or even greater support costs than just a decade ago. That's financial suicide. You see, AT&T helped pass this legislation to help them free up capital so they can invest in more modern communication technology, such as building out fiber and wireless infrastructure as people have moved to cellular and voice over IP communications. If you're enjoying this content, please give me a like and subscribe to see more of it. Thanks. So how does analog turn down affect your business? Well, most businesses unknowingly still have analog landline technology. It comes in the form of analog lines, also known as POTS lines, PRI and T1 circuits. These are used in internet connections, fax machines, phone systems, alarm lines, modems, elevators, and credit card machines. Now, we've worked with businesses, for example, in the city of Detroit, where when it rains, they have problems with their internet circuits and their phone lines, and it's almost an act of God to get the phone company to even respond. And of course, you can imagine there's no new analog phone equipment being produced, so you have to find spare parts on Amazon or eBay or Craigslist. And analog phone technicians are few and far between, making it difficult to support. The question I often get is, can the phone company just disconnect my service? The answer is yes. There's a process in place where they have to give 30 to 60 days notice, and there has to be one or two other providers in that rate center that can provide reliable access to 911, but it doesn't have to be in the form of a landline. Well, the final nail in the landline coffin came just about a year ago, August the 2nd, 2022, where the FCC issued an order ending the requirement for telcos to provide landline service at all. So it's done. So what are your options? Well, you can keep doing what you're doing and wait for the provider to force a change. Meanwhile, your costs are going to go up exponentially. This is a bad idea. Plus, you don't want to be the last person left on the old phone network. Or you can protect your business and make the move to a cloud-hosted business phone system built on Cisco Webex Calling. If you're interested in more information on Webex Calling to get a product demo or pricing, click on the link in the description. So let me ask you a question. Does your business have an analog line, analog phone system, or analog internet circuits? And if so, do you have a plan in place to replace them? Comment below and let me know. I'll see you on the next video.